everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most useful DAX functions in Power BI, that is all except. By the end of this video, you will understand what it does, when to use it, and I will walk you through a real example. Okay? So, first, let's understand what all except actually means. In simple words, all except removes all the filters in a table except the ones you specifically want to keep. Okay? Think of it like you are looking at the sales data filtered by multiple columns. Okay? Like product, region, and year. If you want to clear all the filters but still keep one, like say region, that's when all except comes in. Okay? Syntax. This is the syntax, that is all except a table, column name, okay, column 1, column 2. You can add multiple columns here. The function, what it will do, it removes the filters on all the columns in a table except the ones listed. Clear? Let's look into the data. I took region, product, year, and sales amount. Okay. Let's look into an example. I have a sales table with the product, like I already told you, right? So now let's say I want to calculate total sales by region, but I don't want year or product filters to affect it, right? So in that case, what I have to do? Look, I have written the DAX formula like this. Total sales by region is equal to calculate sum of sales amount all except of sales regions. This is a table name and this is the column name. What this does is it sums up the sales, clears all the filters in the sales table but keeps the filter on region intact. Okay, so no matter which year or product I select, okay, my measure will always show sales total grouped by region only. Let's see. I select east. It will affect like only for the region. This thing will change. Okay, no matter what. Look, it is showing I selected west and it is showing only the west region and it is showing the calculations only for west, that is 4600. I'll clear this filter now. But now I'll select A. What happens here? Nothing happens, right? The value of the south is 6000 only. And value of the west is 4600 only. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Now, so just to tell, uh, now you might wonder why not just use all, right? Well, all removes all filters, okay, but all except gives you control. It's really helpful when you want to compare values across a single dimension while ignoring everything else. Got it? For example, show total sales by region, ignoring year and product. Correct? Like second example is show average customer spend by store. In that case also, like ignoring everything except the store column. So for the quick recap that I can tell, the first point is all except clears all the filter except the one you choose. Got it? Second point is it's mostly used inside the calculate. Okay, and it is perfect when you want to comparisons or total across one dimensions while ignoring others. Clear? Yeah. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips. And let me know in the comments, do you use all except in your reports or do you prefer all or remove filters? Okay.